Ghana for the hypocrisy we are at its large and we are at its best. And yeah, they won't pay. But so be our mind, much Obia was certificate and Obia or diploma. We are supporting in what assembly to do. Nipana ya adi we are say what's national to one say national police and make sure say or the examples and other celebrities no and mama yes didn't be ma must ye asem no na na jana kona se obi sori no ye dia mo abe come on once I go akwa celebrities into mo ka so ndia o.
Yeni na yebe kai yeni aba Rosemond Alade Brown dia tesenkofo edinim ne pano edi ekwapim polo me ye kaya na chese eye emre bi eche mu no ekwapim polo di ne hu the nude picture ebeto ho abra na wakoto agese waso ne ba ebe ma ensa ano mu mienu na mu ye naked na ni cheche mu no de ba ya brankofo ehya se so mu ba shi no mu di na tente na wo ba time pana te se wo ro mu naked sadia afango to baby ase social media ye Instagram na wo tv do naked picture ko to ye na ni cheche mu no be se o chire mu se ani ne ba no obre ne hu ye pa onu na share ne ba na ma ni be ni drum pempe so akwadan enyi ne dru eni tin o share da eye de eja na deja eni chense se ni ba ne hu ni se o ma me da wa ba deja e ma ni ye de embo ni ntira na on fantuma e fankata ne hu no hu ni se eye ne ma me no ye ni explanation na ye ni aba Rosemond Brown o di ekwapim polo ye de edu etuja na ne na ye ni se o asem no akwakoda nso se na enso nwa asama ba beto jano eni se police for just say e wo no super ye e fa asem no hu na o ma frɛ Rosemond Brown Accra Circuit Court I ma frɛ no say ombra na just say omoni no enkoswa endi ensamoso na o plead for guilty no na just say no e no kra kwapim polo we nya se papa bia enye de any Accra Circuit Court de anka into no ma imagine say san dia omo bury mandino akọ police custody da Friday April 16 2021 adofo asemi de arewu ye ne nsa asemi akwakoda se na asemi ye de enda ye nua ba Rosemond Brown ne ho akajem adofo mecha me osima na me ba me nyimi nua ba ma me nyimi nua ba sorry ekwabroni atechi enkomo adofo kamo ho niama ekwabroni akwaba
Ye o ma me just
bia boko Efia yen show yen ya ba Rosemond Brown na yen ni sa asem no just say to chakra fa nude picture ya oni odi oni ne ba ekotu say asem no and da yesa e dey na wo ka fa ni ekosre e ho
kame say yen ya people dey ka waje ni di wo mai mu pa ma ko e dey ne chi pa na ya celebrities na ya so mu yen certain things be why so mo share I share people are watching, people are learning. So no more so omo sha abrofo no mu hwehwe omo copy omi obeti obi say on here ne fan pa ye Rihanna anyway so omo hwe sad we na na omo ye hu say omo nti ase say se na no omo copy kofo no sa so na kofo ye de copy omo na ekwapem polo ne excuse o de ma wase mu say lame kakra lame excuse we was say o say o oba wa oba na opese oba no ade obehu naked no mama ne mbo ntra na onfa ntoma mbo ne example so trend to be kaba ho na oba akla kwana ti asese me mama die obi a anko kaba no ho pa so what ya tenti ne sa no se me hu no na se wa naked se me dey am prepared e don't mind e kata no na se what ga won sa enye se onu penenim po what sa so dia wa ba to amama fo we nye oba de penewu public obi ewu ne sa ne na kala no so hu ne se ne se mama na ngasa no tema e wo ni na no to bi dwa no extra man se ni na mama fo hu ne normal it is a ko hu no abonten so na se we dwa no hu ne keda ene normal e ba ni tim se on pre no na on fa to ma be emele kata ho ana most we are protecting the children Osha abrofo na ya copy omo no unhu obroni bi obedwa no naked completely ne ba ma ne bibie eguso say one ne ba opposite gender ne gina ho na we twa video and as a picture our beto celebrities na mpokura the late people kra omo nya sa ade nti ya ga na ya copy ade ya copy wonyansemu say mposa abrofo ni mu na sabio jimie kakra bata omo ade ye won kra no nche say yeso ye bibisa yeso ye disa jimie ni bia ebe bata ye won e mo de ne eye mobo kra wo Africans mo say ye copy white no ma jimie na ye copy no ye anso de yeso ye de anso techi ne ya the west na say asem no kra. Now, we are talking about protecting the mind and the sanity of a child. Akola at that particular age. And who okay, titana na culture na your manners na any education na dey kola ni femunu. When him fa bi mu ya yela ni na eko. And first no, you will not see anything like this. Say anka ne oba na ne ba one ne baba akwa shedwa no mu dware ka first ni nkensa ma me no epepan no dware akwala no so hwe ni woni kakra and the other so wa be dware na se bia age na be tre be bia wo dware wo se bia bonto na be dware wo ha no dware na ma me so aten ho akwa ko dware wo anka woni wan so unu ma me e ba ko shedwa ba akwa na mu dware so nyema woni na you are putting certain things the negativity in the mindset of the child. Akola de mu nakedness ewie akola no eye be shock say akola as young as 6-7 years old ukoto omo no mu di agra mama ne da na ya hu o TV so no ene nyema akola we kwa be ko mkwa no ko no ni phone social media nyema e ko so ye wo bi wo hu bi wa tra bi so what ya say nti wa ready kwa so no wa san so akwa dwa mo wa san so atwe no ene mama ne da ye ko school asa wo de efie na eri bi ni bi no ko school ba ko tuas me ko ju so aba teacher me say oh akola so ko ju so aba say anya o pe wo ba na ba chen sama fo pi e wo akola no so ko ju so aba be ko mu na fe akola no ko ye mama ne da ewo say nyema we na ene twitwi sansam sem we ba nti ya na mamefo no won sometimes no mo adwe no say mo adwe no nyina say you are trying to impact positivity in the life of the children but sometimes it's say mo tuna say na mo decipher the level of that positivity and now mo hwehwe mo say this kind of positivity is it going to cause a different kind of implication in the life of the child. Some of them who say normal, but certain things be a moon say normal. Na normal bisa. It's mountainous na moon decipher. The normal things na you believe to be normal. Moon decipher and sana. You put it out there before your children because the sanity of the child should matter to a mother most.
Okay, me da say Eka Broni wakasa bebre. Na Ghana for so ani go police for so ye pa efa kwapem polo ni issue yi ho no mo say munjai arrest no mo arrest kwapem polo no munjai kwapem polo instead no e was say ko mo arrest ko fufu fro na asemi den ko ye na ni say Ghana man na ni say e to echa le siden e no omutimi sakofa asemi bebiem no mo sa chi hu achetanza ozo say na Ghana for kan e no kwa
Ghana for the hypocrisy ni there we are at its large and we are at its best and ye ade wo mpa e so bia wo man mu no obia wo certificate na so obia wo diploma bia wo kosesemo we are supporting inkwasesem dudo nipa na ya ade we a unum say enye wo tena na wo jo won say enye na so police ni kwan make sure say ordinary example say na other celebrities no enye emba me sa ade ni bi ma mo se enje asem no na enko na ejana ekona se obi sori no ye dia mo abeka mo once abori akoye celebrities nso mo ka so ndia o na fe de obi fufu no o abeka once enko system na ya Ghana for so na enko akwabu polo case no enye case a ye jai eto wo kwa na egusu e wo court but now it was agent or court first.
Okay.
And they adjourned the case to just the recent one. It's the recent one, a developed case of the previous one. And the developed one is a Siano, wako a police custody, the chair, to say action. Well, first of all, no car, so pleading guilty. Okay, say she's not guilty. So I no plead. And I feel she after the own side of who you are Eba second one no and we pleading guilty. And a court na charging the say we pleading guilty no agya to say or from so and it can cause the sanity of the child. And yes, say or pay consequences for the action. So as a state account. And then no to know, the uncle police custody don't to know developed stories and say police person or by idea or by the own say there would be new about Bema she and going to know. A very possible say again on here say so we understand. Uncle any public hospital be a government hospital be no one check it say on your mana, then checking the pregnancy test say or you're negative, nay say you're not better the number of say days so, say months so, say weeks so, say years in poor. Our the better if you say, in any case, and yet, say you are to actually, David. It was agent or courier, and no pleading or not guilty. And I agent case no, mammy for another time.
Me chawalo, who say was say ye cheat if people editing.
Oh, mammy, say one yet, say BBC, nay, police for no, what you man or more. Say, never be see. Na say police for two one or more, and I say law no I deal with one. And the never say there are certain type of people about the law the law does not affect them. And any lay person be and wasn't again for who throw at that person. You be dear, them they was and them be free ever. Neck kabum near dear, but where are you or yes, celebrities no, or yes, celebrity the internet Ghana for I said, but meaning wouldn't say this should be the big example. What's say celebrity a year at the end say and send them fata or more unnecessary use more as a big example. Say you use almost and they're gonna for years and the best become and then I say law dear it is favorable on the part of people. It is not everyone that is equal above the law because people say come can they do but I'm phone and I say lay people near big deal. Say police for no domini so say or this again after there some banana in some phone arrest no one month after some phone which what's a hypocrisy? The hypocrisy is just too much. It is just too much. And I think that what the law is doing and what the court is doing, according to this particular case, any police for the and can any
okay, but do you think that this will set an example for others to follow?
That is what I believe. It's not make us say police follow if they don't do anything about this particular case, then we should be ready as a country to be seeing more of this. And our manner and our custom and our tradition, the things that we believe in, our morals will all be thrown away into the gutter. Why? Because we are now copying the Western side of what lifestyle or their custom or say their tradition or their morals or whatever they believe in, and it is going to affect us as Africans. More so no crown. The funny thing is when we copy it to her and the answer styles better now I say no crown. I believe so what the police is doing concerning if you Polo's case and no one because if they don't do that, then we should be ready as a country to see more of these kind of nonsense coming up in this particular country.
Yo, si bebre yenya ekuabroni wakasa yebia ansa na meja wo ama wakono edi efutuo e na wodi wo ma ene mabunu anase ma mefo atese o ma wo ma omoso das ban edi say no edi efutuo na wo edi ma wo.
The can say first make actually phone say kwala omadwe very very sharp. Omi are very sharp. The things that you think that it is normal before them, they have a different way of deciphering whatever normal thing that you have put before them. Because in kwala there picture now actually no say na who no or no in a different way crowd. We are very very sharp. Omadwe are very sharp. It's the same of what dealing with in kwala now. We make sure that anything that you do before your children, it is protecting the sanity of that particular child. So what I say, because and then you develop stage, and I say develop sanity. It's more one year, and your own year, a very different kind of thing. So what I say, it's year can also know. Na me can actually as Africans, any Ghana for say. So you copy the style of white the one. As you more fashion, I'm fashion, but see a copy. Me trans, to no and to your culture, any your beliefs, any your tradition, any your morals, and to Chinesa. Because these are the things that we stand for as Africans, and then making it as Africans, and then more so bringing the kind of respect yeah what yeah say and the beer than the sound of Romero or so on type of the moon it's all two are there actually you cry, you don't even know what you are doing, you don't even know, you don't have a stand. Without them you cannot live. So what I says, we have to make sure that we are indeed independent, and without them we can live. The only way we can also do that is by we are already depending too much on them for survival. So the only thing we can prove to them that we can only live as human beings is when we also protect our own beliefs. Many about them also more can
yo adafo yenya ba etwabroni ena te se wakasa ye beka nyame ehwa bebre na menim se adafo so befa mu aba on befa dia hye omukoto dwemu etu ho na mona menim se beboa omo so adafo menim se oso pese wo che wadwene ntire me bisa se ekwabi polo yemfa no entum anase enkebe yanka police for no ejai bibia emanenka na ni sa ni ntino meso se kwa YouTube channel ne ko subscribe too much th na Facebook comment section so chewa jen efa ene ensemi hu ofo so follow on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Me amedi ene ensemi eba mapono so no medin e di efia enshoma eda se na ye besan ehia makramo